how trees manage with winters. Do they get frozen or do they actually die? How do they sustain the winters? These are some amazing questions, so let's get into them. Every time when winter comes, we jump into blankets and start our heaters. So, do plants and trees require blankets and heaters? So, how do they keep themselves warm through the winter? The answer is dormancy. Trees go into dormancy, which is like the hibernation, just like hibernation of frogs and snakes. So let's see what dormancy is. Dormancy is a period in an organism's life cycle when growth, development, and physical activities are temporarily stopped. This minimizes metabolic activity and therefore help an organism to conserve energy. Even though they are sleeping, trees still do an awful lot of work so that their cells are alive, which is how they survive the winter. Here's exactly what's going on inside the tree. Once you know this, you will never look at a tree the same during the winter. As you already know, trees drop their leaves during the autumn and so they no longer have to support them. And trees stock their cells with water which they use in various plant processes. Once winter arrives, trees move some of the water into the space between the cells. This helps to keep the inside of the cell from freezing, which would cause the cell to die. That relocated water then freezes first, which gives off a tiny burst of heat and helps keep the actual tree cells from freezing. While all of this is happening, trees also turn the starch into the cells to sugar, which make the cells even more cold tolerant. So the basic problem is cold harms plant tissues by turning water to ice within the cells, forming crystals that can damage them. Plants from climates with cold winters have evolved themselves to survive the winters by going into dormancy. That means not just dropping leaves and slowing or stopping the growth, but also reducing the amount of water in branch and root tissues. The lowered concentration of water in plant's tissue acts like a natural antifreeze. It means that it takes deeper cold to form ice inside them. The water inside the soil around the roots may freeze solid, but the cold won't hurt the roots themselves until the water inside the roots and tissue starts to freeze. So that's how plants without any blankets survive the winter. Quite amazing, right? This is a great example of survival of the fittest, and plants have actually achieved it.